guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Me and Clive have been out on another adventure, this time to a wild secluded river right in the countryside. We've been anxiously awaiting open season. We've been coming down for lots of walks, seeing the animals and doing lots of pre-baiting as well.
The river's really interesting, it's clay lined, it's got loads of snags, loads of twists. We found a lovely spot on a corner. It's got a large tree fallen to our left with some lilies joining off to the side and a lovely fallen tree to the right. The river has endless amounts of snags and there were so many good looking spots. As time went on, we prepared more bait, carried on pre-baiting, more walks up the river, eagerly awaiting the first session.
Working as a team, we decided to use the spum. It's not very far, but we wanted all the particle to land on one area. Clive did the casting, I did the loading, saves on the mess, 50-50.
As time went on, we settled into a routine, going up the farm a couple of times a week to put a bit more bait in and see how the river was doing. With the swim cleared out and all the pre-bait going in, we got our gear ready and awaited open season. There we go, it's a couple of buckets of maize. It's the last pre-bait session tonight and open seasons are just around the corner. Hardcore babe, eh? 2 whole buckets, a bit northern then. Yeah, 2 whole buckets of maize spotted out. We've got 1 bucket left that I'm going to throw in basically because we are late for a barbecue. That is all the loading of the van done, all the pre-baiting and everything we've been going through has all led up to this moment. We're a few days after open season and this is it. Me and Pascale, we're ready to go. We'll see you down there. Hello. Arriving at the swim, we wasted little time unloading the van and preparing the rods. Lovely. Yeah, it's a lovely night. Cows are heading back over the other side, sleep under their tree. And yeah, we're gonna have an early night tonight. We've done a lot of walking, done a bit of building, bit of bushcraft stuff, haven't we? It's been busy.
Having some savage liners. They're just about to go to bed. The fire's fizzling out. And yeah, we're having liners on both sides of the rods. So hopefully we have a bite. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, I won't lie to you, I'm gutted I missed that battle on footage. Oh, here she is. How's that, babe?
It's a crazy bite.
Epic. I've got your jacket. The first fish passing over the net cord, just being a little common, we got a quick picture and slipped him back. Yes. Oh, bloody hell. We didn't have time to get back in the bag as a short while later my rod was away and it was a very powerful fish. In the morning, getting in the rod, just over 30-pound mirror. Yeah, really buzzing, fire's going. We're gonna have a cup of tea now, sort the rods out. Yeah, mega start. Big up the farm river. Nearly fell in as well. Oh yes.
Well done,
What a
Ben.
fucking fish.
Good morning, everyone. It's 10 to 6 in the morning. This little coming, feisty as anything, screaming take. Misty old morning. Let's see what happens.
Buzzing. Morning, Pascal. We need some coffee in our lives, don't we?
Need
Look
to
at
get
that.
the fire going again.
Classic river common net. Yeah, fuck it.
After getting my rod back out, I had a nice coffee to wake myself up. It wasn't long before I had another take on my other rod, and after a screaming hard battle under my rod tip, I had another fish in the net. I've had this beautiful old scaly mirror. He's an old school sipling, absolutely beautiful from the river. Buzzing.
Nice, babe. Super cool. Mega colours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mega reds. Oh, it's getting back. Boom. Teamwork. Amazing first session for us. 30+ mirror from the river, definitely not to be sniffed at. With another pre-bait mission complete, we headed back down the river. Boom! Getting there, just got to get it in the van. And happy days.
Hello again, everyone. We're just on our way back to the farm for round 2. We're just on our way to Sainsbury's to get a bit of food shopping, and then we'll be down there. Came down Wednesday to do a bit of pre-bait, so hopefully we'll have another few. We had a good couple last weekend. Jeff, feeling confident?
Yeah. Love this place. The more walk around, the more cool little passageways you find in it. Don't know if this thing's used much, but yeah, quality. Yeah. Right, hello gang, welcome back. We are here for round 2 or 3 at the river. We've done an evening session recently and we just got breamed out, so just dropped the maize out, the pre-bait mix. Just nuts and boilies have been going in the last week or so. Yeah, we're here, we've got a van full of stuff, so we're going to strip it out, get sorted, and we'll see you for dinner. Boom. Let's have it. Don't stand there with with your hand on your hip, full of attitude.
Don't get how this boat stopped at this. No, look at it. It's
Stuck in there. The hair's probably tightened down. We're both fishing very simple bottom bait rigs, just a really strong, reliable size 6 or 4 hook. I've got one of each here. This is a 35-pound soft coated braid. Pascale's been using the same, probably a different brand or something like that, but yeah, we've just been a bait out the bag. I think Pascale's been pimping a few of hers out, so I'll get her to show you a bit more of that in a minute. I've just been getting a boilie or a tiger nut out the bucket and just fishing it with a bit of a balancer on top. No preference to colour or anything like that. The waters here is like tea coloured, as you've probably seen on the footage. We found the fish aren't that riggy as well. When they're here and we're getting liners and they're rolling, we usually catch one within a few hours, so been no need to change anything. Or yeah, that has just been absolutely perfect. This is a sort of presentation we fish everywhere near enough. Occasionally we've been coating it in some Clive or complex tea paste. We've got loads of this at home and we've just been using it up a little bit, but on a couple of the rods they're sort of on a little bit of a shelf, so we've been not putting it on those rods to prevent the lead from rolling down. And yeah, on the rods that are going in the deeper water that we've been putting a bit more bait over, we've just been putting a little ball of paste around it. But yeah, fantastic. Gonna clip these on the rods and get them out there. We've just been relying on the pre-bait, which has been a mix of maize, tiger nuts and this 18mm Clive. We've gone through loads of it. We're just using it in the shelf life variety. Yeah, really soft, really oily bait. Yeah, decent. That is it. Really simple. Let's grab these off Pascale. They started their life out as sauce hardened hook baits, but she dragged them all out the pot, put them in a slightly bigger Tupperware and just started off with some oil, tuna oil I believe it was, soaked them to the core, dried them, soaked them, dried them, a process of like repeating that, and they end up being really, really sticky. As you can see, they got a load of different powders and stuff like that, and that is all from our kitchen. Pascale's she loves cooking and she's a big baker, so she just got a load of her favourite powdered ingredients she's got out of the kitchen basically and put them together. Does it make a difference? Let us know in the comments. I've just been putting one of those on and she's been using them. What would you rather use? Let us know down below. There you go, chicken. Maybe I should put one on, eh? Arriving at the river, it looked really good. The fish had definitely been on the bait and it didn't take long to get that next bite. There we go, just setting up my cooking stuff, filming a little bit of fizzing here and there. Yeah, the old snag rod, ripped straight off. But yeah, buzzing, lovely mid-double. Really dark red mirror. Yeah, quality. Oh, really steep banks here. Got to be careful. That is a banger. There we go. Just been for a little walk with the air gun. Come back. Pascale's got the fire roaring. What are you making there, Duck?
Kebabs.
Kebabs. Oh yeah, we had them before, didn't we? Good girl. Pucker. These boilies aren't part of the kebabs, are they? After a lovely evening, hanging out, drinking teas and a barbecue, we settled in for the night, full of anticipation.
It's a common.
Yes. Get him. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh my god.
Oh yes.
Literally feel my heart. There we go, mega take on the river. Yeah, really buzzing for me. I love commons and this is my first one off this river. Yeah, so I'm really happy. Proper completed package. Yeah, decent. Proper short, low 20 lump. Can't ask for much more. Yeah, buzzing. I'm gonna get him back. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Boom. Off he goes. There we go, not wrapping the rod up or anything fancy like that. Just casting over to the rough place, flipping it up, casting over again, getting a nice drop. And that is it, job done. And yeah, we are river fishing, it is snaggy. That's what we're doing, is we're fishing really tight clutches, and then we're just letting a nice drop on the bobbin. So we get a few beeps before everything locks up tight. And yeah, that is it. Job done.
My heart's beating 100 miles a minute.
Rod low, rod low. It's alright. Get that tip really low, bring him back. That's it, he's off. Just go nice and easy, alright?
Oh my gosh.
I see a fully bosh that time, didn't I? Here we go. Yes, it's in. Yo! If I'm not mistaken, I've seen this fish bosh out our first session here. That is amazing.
Look at that for a river carp. Absolutely stunning. We didn't bother weighing him in the end because he's just a low to mid double. And my rod tore off. This absolutely beautiful scaly river carp. I couldn't be happier. Yeah.
Well done, Pascal.
Very, very, very happy. So we're doing it this way because it's a lot quicker, and as we have such huge amounts of bait that we're chucking in, it saves both of us getting messy. And so I'm designated loader and Clive is designated spodder.
Rolling. Tonight's our river night, just getting a few bits ready, about to tie up some rigs, and yeah, getting sorted.
So I literally had my rod out about 10 minutes, super quick take, and yeah, very unexpected. Let's hope for more during the session. About to go in. Oh, I'm going. Oh. The net's in. Good.
Fantastic result for Pascale there. Fish straight away, can't get any better than that. So we settled into the swim, getting all the gear ready, lighting the barbecue, ready for the night ahead. Up every 30 minutes, feeling like we've been absolutely cursed by the bream. In the morning, things took an interesting turn.
Morning everyone, it's 4:30 in the morning. Just had this lovely grey little common. He's not very big, so we're just going to slip him back. But yeah, gorgeous colour, and anything's a result on the river.
See, a fish had picked it up.
Just a massive tick crawling on it.
Pascale's getting done by the old ticks. Give Pascale the rod, jumped in the waders. There's a ditch that leads round to this here now, so just chucked the waders on, walked up there in the ditch, netted the fish from under the tree, and he's just down there in a sack, so buzzing, there you go. Yeah, calm down now, it's been about 10-15 minutes. Little walk through of what happened. Few beeps, woke up, see that left tip was bent round, the line was trundling down through the bushes. Tried applying a little bit of pressure, realised he weren't coming, give Pascale the rod, went and grabbed these waders, and this was the path I took. Down through this long grass. And then really soft at the start of this ditch, and then it hardens up a bit. But yeah, come down this ditch. The fish was just up under these bushes here, so I managed to walk round with the net, just scoop the net under him, bite the line. Yeah, he's just there in a sack, so just got everything sorted, gonna get him out and have a look. Looks like a really nice, really old mirror. Yeah, buzzing. Yeah, really funky. Ooh.
Oh.
A lot of silt on my hand. Really funky story with this one. Yeah, proper nerve-wracking during the whole ordeal. But yeah, when they do go in the net, when you get them like that, it's all more of a story. But yeah, look at that. There we go, old as the hills. Every colour of carp could have on him, near enough. But yeah, proper banger, 20-pounder from the river. Yeah, we've had a mad adventure, Pascale and I, on this river. I've had some serious ups and some serious downs. Yeah, and some proper carp to go with it. But yeah, from one wild river, we're about to move on to the next, so follow the adventure. Yeah, buzzing.